Hello guys, my name is Roland and welcome to Gang Beast. I am, yeah, it's good to be back. We're gonna play some Gang Beast. Whoops, I hit gang. There. It's been a long time since I played Gang Beast, so let's see how it goes. I hope I win, because I really want to win. Yeah. No. Ah, there we go. Let's go. Vents. Hold jump and moving around. Alright. So we got a bear. Hey, don't touch me. I dare you. Whoa! No! Ah, sucker! Ooh. Oh. No. Oh no. Not fair. We're flying and I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to fly like Superman. Mr. Reindeer! You won that round. Now it's my turn. Out of my way. Oh, it's lagging a little bit. Oh no. No. No, can you stop paper? Oh, I knocked myself out. Why is that a thing? Why? Can you stop using your stupid... Look, I can use my head too. How do you like it? Oh, come on! No! No! Alright, don't give up yet. We got tons of time. No, we don't. If the reindeer wins one more time, it's the end. The end. Fighting two animals at a time. Dude! Don't attack me! I'm innocent! No! Yes! I win! Let's go! Alright. Let's do it. I just need to win. Stop laughing at me. That's mean. That's mean. No? No. Stay back. I got a bear trap and I'm not afraid to use it. It's down there. You wanna check it? You wanna go? You knocked my head off. You will pay. Why are you fighting me? Fight each other. There you go. No, you stay. Stay. Get off my head. Thank you. There you go. It's your turn, Mr. Reindeer. Come on. Come on. No. Fuck you. I just got one star. Stop. Alright. Who am I fighting? Show yourself. Oh, it's a cat. Are we fighting animals right now? Or even suicide? Is that what you want? You can go out and walk out if you want to. There we go. Oh, fuck me. No, the guy, not the wall. Why the wall? There you go. Goodbye. Don't do this. You can land on your feet. Well, I died anyway, but I got a star. That's all that matters. We meet again, Mr. Cat. Charge! I won again. As planned. Yes, give me a star. It looks really beautiful. Ring. White rock. Why are you holding the strings? I don't understand that. I don't go walk away from me. Be a man. Can I grab him? Why his arm? Yeah. Who's the boss? Yes! I won! Migam! I won! Yeah, no. Well guys, I was playing this. I hope you enjoyed my winning video that I just only fight animals for some goddamn reason, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a good day. Bye!